We are the largest privately owned toy retailer in the country. Started back in 1981, still owned by the same husband and wife team. It's very much a family business and a family ethos. Massive growth in the last 2 years. I've been with the company for 10 years, and in that time we've trebled the number of stores from 35 to over 100. We've opened 20 stores this year, and the online growth has been enormous as well in that time. We started using Island Pacific before I joined the company. I've been here 10 years. I think it was implemented around 2001, and the solution has grown with us over that time as the company's grown. We used to host on power servers here at the main head office, and 3 years ago took the decision to outsource and have a managed hosted solution. So we have IBM power servers in twin data centres with Mimix replication between them, and a fully managed service from a company called CSI. CSI got the contract through acquisition. We initially outsourced with a different partner, and CSI have now taken on that role. A lot of the people that we've been doing business with for 10 to 15 years have moved with that service, so we have long-term support people that we know and trust over many years, and they look after everything to do with the power service. From daily reporting to maintenance to assisting us when we do disaster recovery switchovers to the backup data centre, all of that sort of thing. So for us, Island Pacific was our main ERP system. It ran everything in the early days, and these days it's still pretty core to the business. We run replenishment and purchase ordering and stock control and sales recording. And even though the website of the business has grown, and our whole multi-channel offering has grown with things like 30-minute click and collect, the sales recording into Island Pacific still gives us that snapshot of stock at midnight, which goes down to the website, and so the website knows exactly how many of each of our 15,000 SKUs are in stock across the whole estate, so that we can offer that 30-minute promise. Well, in my time with the company, and certainly in the time that we've had Island Pacific in use, retail has changed a lot. Multi-channel delivery, customers want everything everywhere these days. And as a company, we've grown and are continuing to grow. We'll put 20 stores onto the estate this year, and we are heading probably for another 30 next year, we hope. The hosting contract with CSI allows us to upgrade our CPU and RAM on the power servers over that 3-month peak period. We are the ultimate peak business, really. Half of our business online comes in 8 weeks, and for the whole company, half of the business for the year comes in just 10 weeks. So the servers, everything is so much busier at that time of year. We are running at full capacity. The CSI contract calls for us to be allowed a 50% growth in the CPU and memory for the power servers during our peak period. We're the ultimate peaky business, really, for toy shops at Christmas. Half of our business online comes in 8 weeks, and overall as a company, half of our business for the year comes in 10 weeks. So that flex up is very important to us. Everything is running at full steam over that short period from around early November through till Christmas Eve. Yes, I suppose the key word would be stability. If you imagine a piece of software that's been in use for 15 years, there's obviously some good things about it. It's been stable, it's been robust. And the same is true of the power servers. They're black boxes somewhere in a data centre that just keep on going. And the same is true of the software.